Hello Internet! Well, today we're opening up the brand new Removu K1. We're going to start vlogging. I'm Sam.
And I'm Jane.
And we are in our little bubble. And we're going to vlog all about our little bubble. So thank you very much indeed, Richard and Nikki from Starport Photo Centres, who have supplied us with the K1. I was at the NEC in Birmingham for the photo show 2 weeks ago, and we want to do some vlogging, and while I was there, we're going to unbox it.
Could be a bit, be a bit of an assistant.
Yes, very nice.
Very, very friendly assistant.
We're going to unbox it and see what it's like, because we.
No, tell me about the story about what happened.
Oh yeah. So I was at the NEC in Birmingham at the photography show. I was actually looking at the GoPro stand, and very good. And a guy came along, and this hadn't even been released. I mean, this is only about 3 or 4 weeks ago. But he came along, and he was videoing on it, the GoPro stand. I love the look at this thing.
Why? Why do you love the look of it?
Well, to begin with, it's got a little screen on it. The next thing, it's got a gimbal on it.
What's a gimbal?
A gimbal, it just makes the camera stay steady. It's like a steady camera, really. So let's just, I've got to concentrate on this now. It doesn't do that, it doesn't do that. Let me see. Can't find the way in. Do you think it slides? It slides! Okay, so it slides to open. Do you know what they say? What's the best thing that you've ever opened? What's the best thing you've ever opened?
Best thing I've ever opened?
Best thing I've ever opened, I think, was our iPad. That was so beautifully packed, wasn't it?
But I remember when we got the iPad, we would say, oh, what are we going to have used for this? Blah,
what are we going to do with the iPad?
Can you see the iPad in the back of... Well, we use our iPad all the time.
Oh yes, there's by your computer and by Zedra at the back there. Okay, so inside the box it comes out like that, so we've slid it out of here.
And it's actually filled very nice. It's got a very,
lovely
very nice
cardboard.
feel.
It feels nice. Well done. The things not to do with it. We've got the things of how to use it.
And again, very clear instructions.
Looks
That's really
very clear,
important.
very simple.
That is very, very important. Again, look, very, very clear instructions.
Yeah, well we hope. And then we've got some stickers. If you like stickers, there's some stickers there. And there, there it is. There she is. Oh, I know. There we are. So that's what it looks like. There it is. It comes in that, and it's all very, very beautiful. There's some accessories are included in the box, and they're in the lid of the box, which is here. Let's turn that. Let me see. Oh, we've got a nice carry case, and we've got a USB cable there. And there's the lovely carry case. Do you want to open the carry case for us? That'd be very nice.
And you know what? You know, before you do that, don't open it yet. Before you do that, what's fabulous about the carry case? It's got a zip on it.
Very nice. So
No. It's got a zip on it, so it's. I don't know, it's more robust.
It's the least you would expect, though, isn't it?
No, rather than having a string,
oh, I see.
It's got a zip on it, and it's got a really good zip. That's lovely. Nice material as well. Fabulous.
There we are. Now, so this is not the first time I've held one, because I held one at the NEC. I asked the guy if I could just, and he was going to be importing these. So there we are. Maybe we bought it from him and don't even know it. So there it is. There's our camera to be. Until now, we've just practiced with our webcam doing a few videos.
And the phone as well.
And on the phone, we did a few vlogs. And so there's a little cover there which we've taken off to put over that goes over the what do we call that? That's the viewing screen, isn't it? There's a viewing screen there. There's another little bit of plastic here which we take off the front there. It's very shiny, it's very lovely, it feels immediately fantastic in the hands. Now we've got to charge it up and do all those things, but that's the Removu, it's got a strange name, isn't it? Removu K1 vlogging camera. Well, we think it's a vlogging camera, it's going to be vlogging for us anyway. And we'll be in the bubble very soon again. That's the. In fact, if you just hold it for a second, there's your foot. That's the first time you've ever held it.
It's actually really nice.
Feels good in the hand.
Yeah.
We've
how
also
are we
got.
How are we going to do it when we're holding it like this? How are we going to manage that? Because it might be a bit hurtful in the arms.
Well, you just hold it there.
No, but after a while, we'll be experimenting with it all. It's fabulous. That feels really nice. It's got a really nice feel. And then going into the bag, let's see how snugly.
I'm going to put it in the back. Yeah. I'm just opening up the accessory kit because we bought the accessory kit as well.
Look at this, guys. That is fabulous.
You like that?
That is really nice. That's good. Fits
So
very,
there
very
we are.
nicely.
Just look quickly inside the accessory kit as well. Doing a bit of a Casey nice stuff here with the boxes, but that's all right.
Yeah.
Because you're not a fan, are you, of boxes? You're not really.
No, I throw them away when I shouldn't. No, but I think what they've done is they've been inspired by Apple a little bit, haven't they? By the packaging being really, really beautiful as well, which is fab.
There we are. But the Samsung Galaxy phones, they packed very nicely, and they were nice things to unwrap. And I think it does make
That's really important, isn't it? And also taking time to unwrap it
look
as well.
at this. So we've got in here, I'm just going to show you, there's a microphone, there's, looks like a wrist strap, there's a lens cleaner.
What is this?
So we've got a microphone with the premium external microphone. So, I mean, I've watched a lot of YouTube reviews about the K1, and that was what led me to buying it. Here is the little microphone there, and it's got a little fluffy, it's got two. There we are. That's the microphone. It is very sweet. And there's a
and it goes there, your microphone goes there.
It goes there, but those for fluffy environments, there's a little. Yeah, well, no, if it's windy, I think we'll probably.
That means a good old wax to me.
Ah, well, we're going to be putting that over the microphone on windy days, I suspect. And what else do we have in here? We have. Oh, this is the charging dock. There it is, the charging dock. So you can stand it up to charge. Very nice.
That's a really good idea. So you don't need to tear it apart.
That's the lens cover. So there's a lens cover there, and there are also front covers and lens covers which are protective film. On the
back.
There it is. That's there like that. No, that's a lens cleaning cloth. And there we are. Those are the accessories. And so we will put it together. We will try it, and perhaps the next film that you see will be taking on the Removu.